unpack a vending machine real quick. What you're gonna need, this is $1.50 each. Put your money in. And you're gonna need this type of machine that has the little cart thing. I'm gonna show you in a second. Put your money in. Alright. What you're gonna do is you're gonna order a drink. I'm gonna order B5. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna hold the door and the thing is gonna come up. Hold on, I didn't do it. B4. B5's not working. Alright, now what you're gonna do is you're gonna hold the door while it does that. And it's not gonna go through. So it's gonna try. It's gonna try again. And then what's it gonna do? It's gonna keep trying and it's gonna stop. It's gonna give you your money back. Give you your money back. And you still have no product. So you're gonna do, just get all of it. Now hold on. Alright, I put $1.50 in. Now you're gonna order a different one. I'm gonna order something else. I don't know, just a random drink. Now you're gonna stop the door again. And it's gonna give you 2 drinks. Awesome. Thanks for watching. Bye.